What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, back at it again with another fire ass video, and let's get right into the content. Boom, we're behind the laptop, and as stated in the title, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make money on Clickbank fast and easy. So first and foremost, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to actually log into the Clickbank platform. Now, like anything else, you're going to go ahead and need to find a niche. And a niche is simply a category where there's all these categories on the side. And once you find a category in a niche, we're gonna need to find a product to actually promote. So what I'm gonna do is let's just say, for instance, we do e-business and e-marketing. Now guys, I'm not endorsing any of these products. I'm just showing you this for an example sake. For this example, I'm gonna go ahead and do the CB passive income. And they pay out $171.20 on average per sale. So if I go ahead and actually promote that, right, first and foremost, what does it actually look like? If I take a look at it, this is what the sales materials that they give you access to. By the way, what I call this, it's called a video sales letter, but I call it a passive profiting system. And the reason why is because you don't have to do any of the selling. They do all the work for you. Literally get people to this sales presentation, and as people watch it, a percentage of those people will actually convert over into a sale and become a purchase, right? Which will pay you out that $171 commission. So with that being said, now I need to go ahead and set up some systems really quick. So here's the actual passive profiting system. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and set up a landing page to capture emails. This is basically gonna be the bridge between our traffic source and our sales page. So this bridge is so that way we can actually capture emails with these people and follow up with them. Guys, the fortune is in the follow-up. So with that being said, you need to set up these landing pages so that way you can capture these emails, because when the people don't buy the first time they see your sales page, first and foremost, why aren't people gonna buy it? Because they don't know you, they don't like you, they don't trust you. You got to warm them up. Like anything else, whenever somebody makes a purchase, they purchase from people they know, like, and trust. So that's where the email marketing comes into play, right? And what that looks like, this is basically just a line of emails over the series of days that they're gonna be opening, getting to know, like, and trust you, and they're gonna be buying your stuff. So what we're gonna do, if you guys click the second link in the description, you guys can actually get access to my template, which will come with the Make Money Online template as well. And you can actually connect the Make Money Online funnel, which looks like this. You can even change the words and the color scheme to match your affiliate offer. And basically you're gonna go ahead and put this in front of the actual sales page. So step one, people are gonna go ahead and actually get to this page right here. Step two, people are gonna go ahead and put in their email and then get to your sales presentation or your passive profiting system. And then step three, people are going to basically click the call to action button, make a purchase, and when a sale is made, you're gonna go ahead and get paid a commission. That is affiliate marketing in its entirety, right? So with that being said, this is what it looks like, right? We have the landing page, then people put in their email, they're getting access to the sales page, a percentage of those people buy, then they're gonna go ahead and actually become money. Now, 8 out of 10 people, when they come across your sales page, they're not gonna buy your stuff. So that's where the email marketing comes into play. Over those days, we're gonna be sending them right back to the same sales presentation. So, meaning the 7th day, the 7th email, when they open it up, it might be the right time, or they may have just got paid, or whatever that looks like, and then they buy your stuff, right? So with that being said, this is where it gets interesting, right? Paid traffic strategies. Guys, fast and easy, right? The fastest way to make money online is with paid advertisement. So if you don't have a budget, sorry, get a job, make more money, and invest into your business with paid traffic, right? Don't buy a Netflix subscription or new shoes or whatever that looks like. Find something that's gonna go to make you money. This is a business, invest into your business. So, paid traffic. Now, with that being said, there's Facebook ads, there's Bing ads, there's Google ads, there's YouTube ads. There's a lot of complicated stuff out there, but what can we use for beginners, right? In the Make Money Online niche, there's something called Udemy, which is basically a platform where people have these huge email lists within a specific niche, usually the Make Money Online niche, and they're willing to send an email broadcast, which is literally sending an email out to their newsletter saying, hey guys, check this out. And then what they're gonna do is they're gonna go ahead and send them to your actual landing page. This page right here, or not that one, this page right here. When they send them to this page, the people are gonna put in their email, then they're gonna go ahead and get on your list. But after they put in their email, they're gonna get access to your sales presentation, and then they're gonna buy it. So How do we use Udemy? Once we go into Udemy, we simply go to find sellers, and things to look at. First and foremost, I really don't even look at ratings. I look at these percentages right here. The percentage means the percentage of people who bought traffic from these solo ad providers and got a sell. So 38%, not high enough. 25%, not high enough. 14%, not high enough. Now, Khalid Ibrahim, he has 65%. That means it's almost a 70% chance that if you buy traffic from this guy, you're gonna go ahead and get results. So 40 cents, 41 cents, 51 cents, 79 cents. Yes, he charges more, but let's do the math here really quick. This person charges 41 cents, but has a 25% conversion rate. This one charges 79 cents, but has a 65 conversion rate. That means their traffic is more than double. 2 times this is 50%. That means it'd be 81 cents for 82 cents for 50 cents. Literally, this person is over double that conversion rate. So I'd rather spend 79 cents, pay more for better traffic, right? So what I'll do is I'll visit his page. Once I visit his page, I'm simply gonna go ahead and find the amount of visitors that I want. And then once I find the visitors that I want, I'm gonna go ahead and actually add to the cart. Once I add to the cart, he's gonna go ahead and send an email broadcast out to my landing page. By the way, guys, they will not send traffic to they won't send traffic to something like this. You have to send traffic to a landing page. So when you send traffic to a landing page, what's going to happen is the people are going to put in their email, get access to your sales page, and then you're going to be able to follow up with them with email marketing. Now, guys, this is the fastest and easiest way to make money online with paid traffic. Now, here's the thing, guys, don't take my word for it. You got to test out these solo ad providers. So when you go to find sellers, don't just pick one guy and spend $1,000 with one guy. Spend 200 with this guy, 200 with this guy, so on and so forth, and you're gonna go in and see who converts the best with your offers. And the way that you do it is you use a specific link, so that way, and also make sure you buy, if you don't know about link tracking, make sure you buy traffic from people on separate dates, because you don't want them delivering at the same date and you not knowing where the sales came from, right? If you don't know advanced tracking or anything like that, buy them on separate dates, have them deliver on separate dates, so that way you can see who provides the best quality traffic. Now, with that being said, quick overview: paid traffic, solo ads, send them to the landing page, we get their email, percentage of the people buy, the people who don't buy, we follow up, getting them to know, like, and trust us and buy our stuff. Rinse and repeat. We make a lot of money. We thank Eric later, and so on and so forth. Now, if you guys gain value from that, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Hit that like button, guys. It does really help. And hit that notifications bell, subscribers thing to freaking join the fam. Now, I want to go to make a huge freaking announcement. This Wednesday, I'm going to be unveiling my secret that has allowed me to live the laptop lifestyle, travel 12 countries in 8 months, basically live life on my own terms and quit my 9-to-5 job. I'm gonna go and teach you guys how to do the same thing simply by clicking the first link in the description and registering for this up and coming web class. It is happening this Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is a live web class. You're gonna be able to hang out with me, and I will be giving access to a $3,000 asset. Something that I use to completely automate my business, right? It's a free template that you guys can actually use for those people who show up and actually stay to the end of the webinar. So click the first link in the description, take action, and register. And I can't wait to see you guys live this Wednesday. And that's it. Your boy, Eric Ellis, check it out.